Today, we're talking about how to get quick relief with natural remedies from urinary tract infections, otherwise known as UTIs. Today, we are talking about one of the worst conditions ever, UTIs. And maybe like me, the mere mention of a UTI makes you cringe, a little PTSD to thinking back to the last time you had one, the burning, the itching, the constant feeling like you have to pee all the time. It disrupts your sleep, it disrupts your life. And today we're going to talk about how can we get rid of them naturally and quickly. UTIs are super annoying, but they are also super common, especially in women. They can be caused by a bunch of different factors, such as incorrect wiping, remember, front to back, tight underwear, dehydration, certain birth controls, menopause, catheters, a suppressed immune system, or intercourse. And if you've had a UTI, you know from experience, you want relief like now. It cannot come soon enough. What you may not know is that 25 to 42% of uncomplicated UTIs may clear up on their own without having to get a prescription. In these cases, you can try a range of natural remedies to try to get relief as quick as possible. So it may take a few days to get complete relief from a UTI, but trying some of these natural remedies could give you relief within a couple of hours. Now, some UTIs just will require a prescription because of their uniqueness. So what we want to do first is try these natural remedies, because anytime we use a synthetic antibiotic, we disrupt the natural flora in our gut. And when we weaken that, we're setting ourselves up for a possible secondary infection. You know how UTIs can be recurring? Well, prescription drugs, they wipe out the bad bacteria, but they also wipe out the good bacteria. So that makes us prone to a secondary infection. So if we can fight it naturally, that's obviously our first option. And then if it doesn't clear up because of the uniqueness of that bacteria and we have to go to prescription medication, we have to. But here's what we can try right off the bat. So first of all, you can start avoiding food and beverages that irritate the bladder. Stop drinking coffee and alcohol or eating spicy food or foods with lots of added sugar, which all irritate the urinary tract. They can also decrease the blood flow to the bladder, which will make it harder for your immune system to fight off the infection. Water is your best friend. Drink lots and lots and lots of water. And along with that, make sure you're emptying your bladder often. I have personally gotten 2 UTIs in my life because of not emptying my bladder often enough, trying to hold my pee for way too long. So make sure you're urinating frequently to keep it healthy. You can also try some natural herbal remedies such as olfactor, which is the original olive leaf extract. So Dr. Morton Walker, he's a well-known medical writer. He wrote in his book, Natural Antibiotics, Olive Leaf Extract. In chapter 4, he says that UTIs are one of the infectious diseases for which olfactor acts as an antimicrobial agent. Another supplement you can try is beta-1,3-D glucan, such as beta factor. It can quickly raise your immune system to help prevent you having a re-exposure to a UTI. Another option is to try a probiotic, such as lactobacilli, to treat and prevent UTIs. There's some other natural things that you can try to help ward off UTIs altogether. Cranberries, I'm sure you've heard about it before, but cranberries help prevent UTIs by keeping bacteria from sticking to the lining of the urinary tract. So you can try drinking unsweetened, keyword, cranberry juice. Don't go get cranberry cocktail. It's the hardcore unsweetened cranberry juice that you're looking for. Also, blueberries, lots and lots of vitamin C, probiotics, D-mannose supplement, And eat more garlic. I know it sounds crazy, but I like to take a little clove of garlic, mince it up really little, put it on a spoon, and just down the hatch with a glass of water. It really helps to keep your immune system in peak performance, which is a really big factor in preventing UTIs in the first place. They're usually onset by a suppressed immune system. If you have a lot of itching that's lasting for more than 24 hours, you can get a painkiller meant for UTIs with phenazopyridine. What that's going to do is help with that burning, itching, and that urinary urgency. It's available in both prescription and over-the-counter forms if you need it. There's a couple other things that can help prevent UTIs from happening in the first place. If you're a bath person, maybe become a shower person. Showers are better than baths in terms of preventing UTIs. Another thing is to avoid using any potentially irritating feminine products, things with a heavy perfume or deodorant sprays, powders, stuff like that. Steer clear of. And if you have tried all these natural remedies and you're still not getting relief, then go and see your doctor, because some UTIs, like I said, can only be cured with a full round of antibiotics. For me, the antibiotics have been necessary in the past, but I hate having to take them because I know that along with the good, they do some potential bad to our gut flora and our immune system for the long run. So if that's you and you're having to do the antibiotics, then go ahead and check out our video on how to restore your gut flora after a round of antibiotics. Well, I hope you got value out of today's episode, and if you did, we'd love for you to like and subscribe so that you can continue to learn how to take control of your health naturally.